Hi everyone, so I'm just here for a very quick video. I've made up a bunch of these little Christmas journals. They are blank journals with just little ephemera packs. Be a great little gift or a little starter kit for you to start your Christmas or December daily. Excuse me. So the journals measure 8 by 5 1/4. There is 40 pages front and back, and they're all the same, but the images on the front are all different. I have made these little journal packs up as well, so we've got little ephemera holders basically. So you can see obviously what I'm putting in there. There's tags. All these tags have just been printed. It's up to you what you do with them. You can that's a little belly band that I made for that. You can back them, you can turn them into whatever. There's, just use your imagination with things. They don't have to stay as they are, or whatever they, if it says it's a tag, it doesn't have to be a tag. You can turn it into something else. So we've got some little tab punches there. Again, you can colour them. You could use that and trace around other paper if you wanted to use a more festive thing. But yeah, so these will all be in my coffee shop. I'll put a link below. They will be up with the the relevant images, so there'll be like 3 or 4 lots listed, and each has got a different image on the front, but they're all the same inside, and the little ephemera packs are all the same as well. So check out my freebies as well, which is again on my coffee shop, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.